What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're going to go over our friend MATIC. Currently, we're sitting at $1.55. We're going to get a little bit of news with Polygon and NFTs. Currently, we're down about 0.9 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 11.49 billion. Excuse me, guys. 24-hour volume, 881 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we can see a lot of news has been coming out with MATIC and NFTs. So we're going to get into a little bit of an article here. So here's why OpenSea users are buying more NFTs on Polygon. OpenSea is the main website. I think it's the most popular website for buying NFTs. So with global brands consistently dropping their collection, NFT activity on the dominant NFT marketplace OpenSea uses the Polygon sidechain network, and it has been on the rise for several months, hitting new record highs in January. So as many of us know, if you buy an NFT on the Ethereum network, there's massive gas fees. I have a friend who bought a retired grandpa, which is an NFT, really cool one, and he paid $1,000 and he paid $400 in gas fees, which is absolutely insane. So by using OpenSea on Polygon, users can save on Ethereum gas fees as well as experience faster transactions. So this is why there is so much interest in Polygon, and why it could be an Ethereum killer is due to the fact that the gas fees are way less expensive and the transactions are quite a bit faster. So Polygon analyst Simran Gojia says trading volumes on OpenSea over Polygon reached 78.9 million in January, with over 102,000 trades per day. According to Gojia, by using Polygon instead of the Ethereum base chain, users saved a total of $195 per month, averaging 0.04 per transaction. On a daily basis, users saved in total 7.18 million, or around $70 per transaction, according to Gojia. So that's really exciting, guys. Users are saving around $70 per transaction using Polygon network instead of Ethereum, which will bring more interest to Polygon and of course the MATIC token. All right, guys, $70, that's a lot of money. You could go on a hot date and really impress your lady friend or gentleman. If you're a woman who likes to pay for dates, shout out to you. We need more of you in this world. So let's get into MATIC, guys. I'm going to start here on the 4-hour time frame. We broke out of our falling wedge pattern. We backtested as resistance and we've started to roll. So as of right now, we are in a technical target to where we formed the pattern at $1.37. Could put in a nice, beautiful double bottom as it's following closely with Bitcoin, guys. We have trended towards oversold on the money flow, so do keep an eye on that. But we are in a technical target. If we lose 151, do watch for that double bottom coming in at about $1.37. You can see here we had a bearish divergence. We created a higher high, lower high in the money flow. Early indicator of a drop, guys. Good time to start scooping up your profits. If you used our buy zone here at 151, that was a juicy trade opportunity if you were just getting into MATIC, and you can use your indicators. You're looking at about a 15% trade. All right, guys, so let's hop over to the daily time frame. So we've broken out of our ascending channel, as we've been mentioning. Your technical target is all the way down here at 62 cents. I don't think it's likely. Of course, it's a possibility, guys, but I wouldn't say we're going to reach that target until we lose about $1.12. We lose $1.12, we backtest as resistance, especially if we lose the 0.786. Okay, we're coming down, because if we lose the golden ratio, it's a higher likelihood you're coming all the way back down to where you started. So I had dropped in this bear flag, bear pennant pattern here, and its technical target is all the way down here at 99 cents. So ideally what we want to see, guys, is we create that double bottom and we break out back to the upside, because if that support is lost, we see Bitcoin come down to 2830K. Well, MATIC's coming all the way down to 112 and possibly lower as well. So this is a really key level of support at $1.33. Let's look at Ethereum, guys. Our indicators are on the floor for MATIC on the daily, as well as the MACD. But if we look on the weekly chart, guys, and you see the MACD, we have had the bearish cross, as well as bearish divergences on the money flow, as well as on the RSI. So if we were to come all the way back down towards the oversold, I would expect this to come down to $1.12 or quite possibly 86 cents. Those are your breakdown targets. Right now we have the 55 EMA lining up with $1.33. So let's look at ETH. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. The descending Brownian wedge, we came all the way up to the resistance level as we've been predicting here. We do have a rising wedge, guys. So if we do fall out of this pattern, we come all the way back down to 2283 and create that double bottom for ETH as well. And hopefully we can see a beautiful bounce back to the upside from that level, because as I've been mentioning, guys, we lose the golden ratio, high likelihood you come back down to where you started the summer lows at 1702. You can see the indicators call it perfectly, guys. Overbought, move back down. Overbought on the indicator, or sorry guys, on the money flow, move back down. So you can just trade the indicators. I have people in the Discord, they just trade the money flow and the RSI, and they short at overbought levels and they buy at oversold levels as well. Just make sure to use a stop loss if you're going to trade with that style. All right, guys, and we pop over to the daily time frame. I talked about the symmetrical triangle and we were breaking out. I said your technical target is here at 2819, and we can hit resistance from our descending channel as well as the 20 EMA, and that is exactly what happened. So I do think it's likely, guys, unless we create some sort of bull flag, that we do come back down for a retest and create that double bottom pattern on the daily time frame. Let's look at the weekly for ETH and see what's happening here. So you can see the exact same thing, guys. Big bearish divergence on the weekly time frame as well as the money flow. So if we were to come all the way back down to oversold, I would expect ETH to come back down to the summer lows, guys. But as of right now, we are holding the 20 EMA. So as long as we hold it as support, hopefully we see that double bottom and we break out back to the upside. That's ideal, guys. That's what I want to see. Is that let me pop. Oh, was that on the monthly time frame? Yeah, we had a bearish divergence on the monthly. This is the monthly, guys. Let's look at the weekly as well. Yeah, bearish divergence on the weekly too. However, guys, this is the weekly. The money flow has come back down to the bottom, as I've been mentioning, and that usually is when you are going to see a bounce. So hopefully what we see, guys, is a beautiful double bottom when we break out and we get this correction or this bear market over with, and we break out back to the upside. This is a bullish scenario. That's what I would love to see, guys, but of course we have to be realistic. If we lose that support, we are in a technical target to the 1.618 at 1880, which lines up with our summer lows. All right, I'm getting a little bit redundant here. So that's basically it for MATIC. If you want a dollar cost average, we do have 4 entries already at 196. If you're just getting into MATIC, we do have a buy zone at 151. Not financial advice, just for reference, guys. Equal amounts at each buy zone, 500, 500, 500, brings your average price down halfway each time. If you're low leverage trading, don't recommend more than 2 to 3x. You have to double your margin, 500, 500, 1,000, 2,000. However, when you start to hit the 3rd and 4th buy zone, it will bring your average price down more than halfway. I locked in some of my profits with my leverage trades just because we, like sand, I had hit like 6 buy zones and sold. So when they bounced, I was already in profit. So I locked it in and I reset my buy zones. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. Highly recommend the Discord, guys. Over 1,000 member, talking all things crypto. And I have the DCA charts for the current trades on the YouTube channel. And I've just added daily buy zones and take profit zones. If you want to start to dollar cost average into certain altcoins, we have MATIC, Solana, ADA, Sand, VET, and you're looking for buy zones, you're looking for take profit levels. $3.50 price of a coffee, slice of pizza. You can sign up through the Patreon. That is it for this one. Follow me on IG if you want to keep up with my fascinating personal life. Rather boring right now, but I am going to start traveling again soon. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Peace. Take care.